This is our first day in Alaska. I will show you how is our room look like. Ayan. Para malaman nila kung ano yung itsura ng state room natin. Yan, this is our state room. I don't know what is the size, but it's okay for two. This is our big bed. Ano to, mami? King bed? Anong tawag dyan? Queen bed? Queen bed. Large enough for two people. This is our TV, the mirror, the table, the stool. Yeah. This is our closet. A small refrigerator over here. Okay. Para makita nila, mirror. Mirror on the wall. Who's the bema on the wall? Yan. Mommy shoes. Dad's shoes. In the bathroom. Wow. Yan ang kubeta na sa vapor. This is the bathroom in Holland, Yuland. Ano pa ito? Eurodam. Maganda yung bathroom nila, no? It's clean. Yeah, that's it. Para makita nila merian yan. Kung gaano yung vapor. Away ng away yung dalawa dyan.